Hello everyone, and welcome to Cars and SUVs. We hope that you find our videos to be informative, engaging, and entertaining. Today's video features the ultimate family SUV, the Toyota Grand Highlander. The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander made its world premiere just hours before the opening day of the Chicago Auto Show to showcase the latest and greatest addition to the successful SUV lineup for Toyota. This three-row Grand Highlander offers options from entry-level to efficiency to performance all in one incredible package. It is available in three powertrains across three grades: the well-balanced 2.4L turbo gas engine, the efficiency-leading 2.5L hybrid with a manufacturer-estimated 34 combined mpg, and the ultimate performance-seeking 362 horsepower hybrid max. Designed by Calty Design Studios and exclusively manufactured at the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Plant in Princeton, Indiana, the price and on-sale date of the all-new 2024 Grand Highlander will be announced later this summer. Whether you're the driver, passenger, or are in the second or third rows, the Grand Highlander is fully functional for the road ahead. Controls are centered around the standard 12.3-inch multimedia display. The configurable center console can fit a tablet, with internal tray removed, and also features a wireless charger, 2 USB ports, and 3 cup holders, including one capable of holding a large water bottle. While on the passenger side, a pocket capable of holding a small bag is provided. A sliding console cover is offered so that the lid can be opened and closed with the armrests in use, allowing for even more versatility for both driver and passenger. On the passenger side of the dashboard, another USB port and a tray capable of neatly holding a cord during charging are included, providing more usability for the passenger. In the second row seats, an air conditioning control panel and separate left/right USB ports are placed together on the top of the console end, within easy reach of second row passengers. Cup holders are also provided on the center armrest, bench seat specification, while cup holders, a smartphone storage slit and multi-purpose tray are provided on the rear console for the captain's seat configuration. A multi-purpose tray, as well as additional water bottle storage, is provided in the door trim. And, for third-row passengers, individual USB ports, smartphone/tablet storage space, and 2 cup and bottle holders are provided on the deck side, allowing for diverse usage scenarios. Additionally, a support grip for use during ingress and a hand support space for use during egress are provided to enhance the accessibility. Across all three rows, Grand Highlander is road trip ready, equipped with 13 cup holders big enough for large water bottles and 7 USB-C charge ports to keep devices charged and at the ready. Other available conveniences include heated steering wheel and power folding mirrors, limited and platinum, heated and ventilated front and second row seats, platinum, 1,500 watt power outlets, limited hybrid max, and platinum hybrid max, and a hands-free power back door, limited and platinum. Thanks for watching Cars and SUVs. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.